Hey guys, Lord Hydra Beast here. Today I'm going to show you to make a paper airplane that I don't really know how to describe, but I think is pretty cool. So let's get into it. So what you're going to want to do is fold it in half, burger style. Make sure that you fold it up, you line it up, and you crease it well. And open up. You hold this, you fold it down the middle. Again, crease it well. It'll increase your chances of it flying like it's supposed to. Crease it again, do it the other side, and then you should fold in to the middle on the outside like that, and crease it. You need to make the lines and the creases very crisp, thus making it more aerodynamic and it going faster and farther. Do the same with the other side. You should have it like this, and then fold it in. Now, fold it just over the very bottom, just like a millimeter, that much. Just a tiny smidgen over. You should have this, and then fold the tip like this, so fold it in a bit like that. And then take the ends of the wings, fold them in a little like that. Make sure they're fairly straight, making it so that the airplane flies straight. And to make it all lined up, I like to fold it in like that, and then hold it like that, and then fold it over the right amount. Okay, crease. Now fold it up to a 90-degree angle, and then there you have your paper airplane. So this paper airplane is really cool. So let's see how it does in flight. So the way you want to hold this airplane is you want to hold it like this, like you want to throw it so that it's like at a parallel angle to the ground. Try throwing it this way. So if you throw it harder, this is just what it looks like at first. See, it landed all the way over here. So thank you for watching. Like, subscribe. See you in the next video.